pag-ibig ngayong hapon, we discover the answer to your many questions in life. Scenario is called the Lorenzo Ruiz Mission Society. So, to cater for not only for Filipinos, but to Chinese. So Ruiz, kilala niyo sa Lorenzo Ruiz. Kilala niyo yung ating first Filipino saint. Para at least makatulong tayo dun sa church na mayroon ng China. And currently, our society is sending missionaries also in Taiwan. We have 3 dioceses. Yung 4, spiritual, intellectual, human, and pastoral information. Meron kami pang 5 kung sa 4 na pillars of commission, and that is community life. Community life. Kasi kami, nabubuhay kami sa isang community. Magkakasama naman kami.